Anchuan technology provides customers with easy-to-use, safe, compatible, and reliable collaborative robot welding solutions. Let me introduce the composition of this mobile small collaborative robot welding workstation. It consists of the robot body, welding machine. The other side is the welding gun cleaner and a mobile trolley. This one is liftable. The lifting height can reach 30 cm. The height can be adjusted up and down according to our needs. This workstation is equipped with a welding gun cleaner. It can be used in welding projects. Quickly and automatically clean the welding slag in the welding gun. Helps to ensure the quality of the weld. The advantages of this workstation are easy deployment and integration, suitable for small batch and multi-variety welding. Welding of large steel structures can achieve continuous welding in multiple scenarios that it can be moved to where welding is needed. This workstation is used to make meat welding machine. It can also use mainstream brand welding machines such as AOTAI, Fronius, etc. Next, I will show you its drag and drop welding process. Let's take a part and put it here. Fix it. We press the drag button. It can move to the position we want. Then record this point. Then we move it to the next point we need to weld. Record its position. Okay, at this time, we move the robot to a safe place. Okay, I will start welding with one button. Then, let's see the effect of welding. It's still great. Next, let's demonstrate its swing welding function. First, we drag it as before. Move it to the welding position we need. Record, this is the starting point. Then hold down the drag key, drag it to our end point. Record. Then return it to a safe point. Start welding. Next, let's demonstrate its multi-layer and multi-pass welding process. Also, hold down the drag key, move it to the starting point of the welding we need. Record. Then we drag it again, drag it to our endpoint. Record. Then return it to a safe point. This is the teaching pendant of the science and collaborative robot. Let's take a closer look. A multi-pass welding process. It has its welding layers here. First layer, second layer, third layer. We need to set its welding layers here. After setting it, change it from manual to automatic. So we can weld with one click. Next we start welding with one click. Let's take a look at the welding effect. The welding effect of multi-layer and multi-pass welding is still very good.